Yo, it's Sugar
and Cat,
and we in the house.
Hey guys, so I'm Cat, obviously.
I'm Sugar.
And she is gonna be mean and not sing with me.
I can't sing.
Neither can I.
Sing better than me.
And I'm gonna sing Hot and Cold, and I'm gonna be so high pitched, but oh well. Let's do this. Sing with me, please. You change your mind like a girl. I can't do it by myself.
Change his clothes.
Yeah, you PMS like a bitch. I would know. And you overthink. Always speak critically. I can't do that. That you're no good for me. 'Cause you're hot and you're cold, you're yes and you're no, you're in and you're out, you're up and you're down, you're wrong when it's right, it's black and it's white, we fight, we break up, we kiss, we make up. Okay.
Oh, you don't really? You really just...
I don't want to do that one.
She didn't want to sing anymore, guys.
No, I didn't want to do that song.
Oh, sorry.
I am titanium. Anyways, I forgot that was still recording. We should start making it. Oh my god.
I'm sexy.
I'm doing
I
it.
know
I'm doing it. Do it with me.
I'm not doing that. You crazy?
Please.
You twazy? Gross.
I'm still sick. Shut up. I'm gonna sing sexy and I know it. Do it with me.
No.
Yeah. When I'm walking by, girls be looking like damn you fly. I pin to the beat, walking down the street in my new freak. Yeah. This is how I roll. Animal print pants out of control. Red fruit with a big afro.
Like Bruce Lee rock at the club. Yeah.
Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Why am I doing that?
I work out.
I work out.
How long is this vlog gonna be?
I don't know. It's not really a vlog.
It's like...
Are you tired? Yeah, kind of. Don't be tired.
Oh. You can't sing that song. My voice doesn't go.
Starships were meant to... Would you get off of me?
How dare you reject me?
Wow.
You really expect me to do that with you?
I'll do it.
Yeah,
As long as it's still... Oh, it's not on there!
Ah, sucker!
YouTube, I need you.
Why don't you just do a different song?
Because I wanted to try to rap.
And you're gonna put it on our
Yes.
vlog channel.
You guys will see me fail.
Okay.
Can't you hear that boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom?
Anyways.
We've had vlogs longer than this, so
True.
let's do this. Clean version. What's so bad about it? I know.
I don't know.
There's a drum. We're gonna make more of these videos. This one is for the boys with boom system, top down AC with cooling system.
When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stack on the deck, like saving up. And he hit, he real, he might got a deal. He pop balls and he got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell coke. Anyway. It's so bad.
Sail on ship.
That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, you get slapped if you're looking hoe. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. You know?
I like your pillow. Hi, it's like, oh yes, I did. Somebody tell him that fires. I am Nicki Minaj. I matched them dudes up. Back in the cup.
We don't know this at all.
Running away, beating like a drum, and it's coming your way. Can't you hear that boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, bang? That boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, bang. I tried Why is it so hard to rap?
Maybe we should try something else.
No.
Oh.
This one is for the boys in the polos.
Oh no.
And I think I like it better with the cap on. He ain't even gonna try it.
Back on. You just gotta give me that look. When you give me that look, I'm done.
Fine then. Excuse me, you're the healthy guy. I mean, size, taking in eyes.
You're in touch with your feminine side. Oh.
Yes, I did. Somebody tell me who that is. I am Nicki Minaj. I'm smacking dudes up, back flips up. Be running away, beating like a drum and it's coming your way. Boom, 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 bang. Boom, 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 bang. Super fast. Oh. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh my.
Yeah. Ow, that's my bad knee, dick. He got that super fast. See you might lie to me to stay. No, I'm not gonna stay. No, don't go away. Hey, boy, you got my heartbeat running away. Don't you hear the heartbeat coming your way? What is going on with your voice?
I don't know.
I need a drink. Got my heartbeat running. Ew, look at that. They can watch us. They'll put up with us. They love us. Hey, people watch PewDiePie for like 20 minutes singing. Or just doing random stuff. Anyways, I'm like obsessed with them. She knows that. Okay. We should do Secret. I can't sing. Fine then. I'll do it.
Or cut me out. That's fine.
I'm trying to find it.
Are you gonna be able to save it the same way I do? You know how you have to save it on your like desktop and then upload it?
I don't know.
It might work like that though.
I hope.
I'm gonna laugh if it doesn't.
I will be mad.
I will laugh.
Okay. Want this to be our last song?
Okay.
Okay, we'll have a couple more songs.
Was that yummy?
I don't know. Okay. She will be loved. Gonna do this? Jesse? Beauty queen of only 18. She had some trouble with herself. He was always there to help her. She always belonged to someone else. I drove for miles and miles and wound up at your door. You made me go too fast. I've had you so many times, but somehow I want more. I don't mind spending every day out on your corner in a pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved. And she will be loved. I fail. Tap on my window, knock on my door. I wanna make you feel beautiful. I know I tend to get so insecure. Doesn't matter anymore. Can I do a song by myself?
Yeah, go for it. I don't like singing anyway.
Yes!
Good luck. Oh, really? That song?
Yeah, this song. Come on, you know I can sing this. You know I rock this.
For sure.
For sure. Anyways, you want to be in this?
I don't care.
Oh, no. No! Okay, let's try this again.
Okay, just do it now.
Swagger Jagger, you should get some of your own. My voice hurts. Can the money get your game on?
Get your game on. Get your game on. You can't stop looking at me, staring at me. Be what I be. You can't stop looking at me, so get off of my face. You can't stop looking at me, writing about me, tweeting about me. I can't stop. It's what I can do. My swagger's in check. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. My swagger's in check. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. I got it in check. Swagger dagger. Swagger dagger. You should get some of your own. And the money, get your game on. You're a hater. Just let it go. Swagger dagger. Swagger dagger. You should get some of your own. Get the money. Get your game on. Get your game on. You can't stop shouting at me, holler at me, be what I be. You can't stop looking at, so get up from my way. You can't stop YouTubing me on repeat, running the street. You can't stop this when it's shut up. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. I got it in check. Swagger dagger. Swagger dagger. You should get some of your own. I gotta see that. Get your money. Get your game on. You're a hater. Just let it go. Swagger dagger. Swagger dagger. You should get some of your own. Count the money. Get your game on. Get your game on. Get your game on. I see you. It was really nice to meet you. Get on the floor. My voice is so high. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. I got it in check. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. My swagger's in check. Get on the floor. My voice is so bad. Get on the floor. I got it in check. Cookie. Om nom nom. Okay, are we done? It's like so we didn't do a vlog because we can't think of really anything to talk about now, so maybe you should leave us some like comments or message us or something. Or we can just be dumb and make random things like that. Yeah.
My shirt's stuck to my jeans. Anyways.
My shirt's really low. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.
And
we're out.
peace out.